Ilocano words for beginners.
Anya, ano, what. Apay, bakit, why. Katno, kailan, when. Sadino, saan, where. Kasatno, paano, how. Tatta, ngayon, today. No bigat, bukas, tomorrow. Idikalman, kahapon, yesterday. Damdama, mamaya, later. When, oo, yes. Haan, hindi, no. Daytoy, ito, this. Dayta, iyan, that. Ijay, doon, there. Siyak, ako, I. Datayo, tayo, we. Sika, ikaw, you. Gusto, tama, true. Kamali, mali, false. Isuna, siya, he or she. Isuda, sila, them. Adda, meron, there is. Awan, wala, nothing. Aguray, maghintay, wait. Sardong, huminto, stop. Irugi, simulan, start. Alpason, tapos na, done. Sakbay, bago, before. Kalpasan, pagkatapos, after.